let the world know.
Hey guys, Julie Jeans here with another video. So today we will be doing a hair tutorial with insert name here. But before you guys watch this video, please subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss another video, like, comment, and share. I love you guys so much. Keep watching. Today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I know last time we talked about insert name hair. That is a hair brand. They sell wigs, ponytails, etc. Today we are going to be reviewing insert name hair one more time, but this time I will be showing you guys how I put my curly ponytail. I am so excited because, you know, I have curly hair, so wearing fake curly hair is like extra exciting. So yeah, this is the package that it comes in. Boom. This is the ponytail down here, and they have like an extra piece just in case you want to like wrap it around, make it look thicker. It also came in this nice packaging. Wait, let me cover my address. But it came in this packaging. It says loading. Last time that I did the review, I didn't tell you guys if I liked it or not. So I still have the other ponytail. It's still in good condition. It's a little bit tangled, but nothing a brush can do, right? So yeah, I still use it, and it's been months since I got it. So yes, it is a really good quality. Please make sure that your hair is completely detangled, just because you don't want to have bumps in your hair when you try to slick it back. I also recommend not wetting the hair. If you have curly hair like me, please do not wet your hair, because then when you try to slick it, it's not gonna stay like this. It's gonna look us wavy. Curly hair girls, you know how it is. But yeah, I'm gonna detangle this and then I'll be back. Okay, so after you have combed your hair, I used the regular brush, by the way, so it doesn't matter which kind of brush you use. Just make sure it looks like this. This was literally like $5. Some people throw their ponytail back. Some people part it in the middle. Me personally, I like to part it on the side because I like looking a little more girly. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Let's part it on the side. Like I had said before, my hair is dirty, so if you see something, let me know. Actually, no, don't let me know. First product that I'll be using is this Curl Supreme Hydrating Cream Crelux. Just a nail. And then I'm mostly gonna concentrate on this part right here. And then I take a small comb just to make sure that there are no knots. Put it down. I'm just gonna take this brush one more time. Okay, so now that the hair is well brushed, we want to get it in the bun. You can either do a high bun, side bun, or just in the middle, which is the one that I'm going to do right now. I just noticed, guys, I am really sorry. I keep looking over there and the camera is right here. So yeah, that was a mistake I just made. It's gonna again, if you saw my last video, you know what my secret tool is. Boom. Got to be glue. Is my secret weapon for a sleek ponytail. We are going to tie up the hair. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tie it so I can put the glue, and then I'm gonna untie it and do it again. Okay, so now I am going to be adding the Got to Be glue. Yes, I have bangs, so that's why that's sticking out right there. So that's why Got to Be glue is my favorite. So I'm gonna be looking this way just so I can look at myself while I'm doing this. I know I look kind of weird because of my edges, but that will change in a minute. So before I braid my hair, I'm going to use the Curl Supreme one more time, just so I can get some moisture. Insert names say that if you have thick hair, braid it, but if you have very thin hair, you could just put it in a bun. So before I put the ponytail, I want to lay my edges because like I really want to see how it's gonna actually look. Now the fun part. Dun, 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 dun. Just for the record, this is not a paid ad or nothing like that. I genuinely like this brand. I started wearing ponytails when I cut my hair. I cut it because I needed to for healthier curls. Anything for what I really like about insert name here is that it's pretty easy to put on. Like literally it has like a little clip right here, and then you could just clip it really close where the rubber band is. So what you want to do is, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it well, but you just want to clip that in. Boom. And after you clip it, you're just gonna twist it around. Like I'm just wrapping it around. Use a bobby pin. This is how the hair looks. I love it. Literally, it looks so natural. Like, come on now. Another exciting part is the extra piece. This is the first time that I'm gonna wear the extra piece, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'll show you a photo of it with the piece and without the piece. So the extra piece doesn't have anything to like attach the hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep it on top, and while I'm pressing the top, I'm just gonna be twisting the rest. And then I'll just make sure I need to pin this bobby pin actually. Okay, so after being pinned, that's about it. It's a little hair demonstration. Boom. Okay guys, that's it for this video tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for the support. If you guys did like this video, please like, comment below, and share this video. Please subscribe and hit that bell button video. And yeah, thank you so much for the support. See you guys in another video.